Hello everyone, my name is Nzedaro. Thank you so much for getting back to our YouTube. Now today I'll be showing you how to create a website using an HTML and also how to style it using CSS. As we know that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So then we're going to put the style using CSS, and then we're going to design the website using an HTML. So it won't be that really long. So now if you haven't been following our YouTube channel for long, know that there's a lot that has happened already, and we would like you to get to know what has been done so far. We have already started teaching people how to create a website offline. We have done it using brackets. We've done using it what do we call it, using notepad, etc., etc. So if it's for the first time, okay, let me do slow explaining. But already I have explained how to design that. We start with HTML. As you open, you close, and then you come with the head, you open, you close, you come with the body, you open, you close, and also the footer. And when you close, you must use forward slash, right? And then you write the name of what you're closing. Now today the most important thing that I would like you to understand is that on the head we've got two things, which is the title, and also beside the title we also get the title, and we also get the word on the head, and also the link of the CSS. And today we are going to do the CSS, so then you will get to know how. Now let me close my title. There we go, title. Oh, I've forgotten to put a forward slash here. There we go. The title will say, let's just say HTML with CSS, right? There we go. And then on the body, let's just put few things. We are not gonna put a lot. Let's just put the heading 1, close heading 1. Now this is my heading in italic. Okay, that's the heading number 1. We've been doing like, and then if I save this, you will see the heading will not be in italic. So what will bring the italic? It will be CSS. Okay, so let's just say heading 2 forward slash heading 2. Heading 2. This is my heading. This is my heading in blue color. Let's say maybe not in blue color. Let's say maybe in black color. Okay. Now let's put a paragraph. This is our paragraph. If you've forgotten to put a forward slash here. This is my first paragraph, and it will be centered, aligned with the font that I will remember Why coding? Okay, I don't know the color that I should use, right? But one thing for sure, I know that it will be text, it will be centered, aligned, right? Um. So yeah, this is our this is our HTML. Let's save it. Let's save it. Save as. Okay, let's put it on the desktop so that we can easily find it on the desktop, and then we call it calm.html. Kawade calm. Okay, save. Let's do like this. Where is calm? Calm. That is HTML, right? So we still need to do CSS. So the website will not be having those colors. It will not be. So look at our website. This is our website HTML with CSS. This is my heading in italic. But if you check this heading, is it in italic? It's not. So what is it that's gonna make it italic? It's called CSS. This is my heading in black color. Yeah, it's in black color because automatically when we type with the color it has to be black. So I will go and change it from black and make it another color. Let's say my heading in green, in green color. There is this space. So if you check, it's still saying this is my heading in green color, but the color is in black, right? This is my first paragraph. It will, I don't know why, how did I put this in here? But it has to be centered aligned, and the font I will choose. Let me also line break this so that it can be 2-line sentence, right? Let me do this. The code to break the line when designing a website is called THIER. Okay. There we go. We have got 2 lines, 2 sentences. So now let's go and do the CSS to put all these things. Okay. Now this is our HTML. Now let's open another one for the CSS. Now let's say body. Now be careful when we do CSS, we use different brackets. I don't know the name of these brackets, but we don't use those ones that we have been using. How about maybe we start by changing the background color of our website, since it's in white, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's in white, the background. What if we change this background from white to blue? Let's see how cool it can be. Okay, we'll say background. And I would like you to be careful with the English of CSS. Like the way we write the word color in today's English is different from the way we write color in the CSS. The way we write center is different with the way that CSS you write center. So there are a few things that we need to be careful with them. Okay, let's say blue. Okay, blue. Now let me save my CSS. Save as where are we saving it? Let's save it on the desktop so it can easily find it. Now it's called calm dot CSS. So that one was com.html. Save. Now, if you run the website, it will not do anything, although we say. Do you know why? That's where the lesson of today comes in. Our CSS is not yet linked with our HTML, so we first need to link the CSS and HTML, and we link it inside the head. I said inside the head there are two things that we find: the title and the link. So now this is how we link. We link the CSS and HTML by using link rel assigned to inverted commas style sheet. Now we say the type of our style sheet assigned to inverted commas. It's going to be text /CSS. Text /CSS. And now it's three things that we put in the link. It's link rel and type and href. Assigned to assigned to what is the name of our CSS? It's called com.css, right? com.css. Now let's save and see if then this code here jumped to this side by this line of the code. Okay, refresh. There we go, it did. Now our background color is blue. Now let's start to work with our heading in italic. Okay, CSS. Okay, our H1. Okay, our H1 font style. Font style is in italic. Font style is in italic. Shall we say? Let's see if it's gonna change to italic. There we go. Our heading now is in italic. Now let's add another code. We must see here. We are coming to which one? To italic. We did this heading is in green color. Okay, now we need to change the color for our heading 2. H2. Okay. Our H2 must be the color. And don't say the spelling of color is incorrect. It's correct. That's how they write it. Okay, in green, right? Okay, let's see. Okay. Now our color is in green. Our heading 2 is in green color. Okay, let's continue. I always forget to check here. We are coming to what? Okay, this is my first paragraph. It will be centered aligned with the font that I will remember. Hey, which font will I remember? But P for paragraph. is for paragraph. Text align center. I'm writing the center of this center. Yeah. Let's see and see if it will align our text. Now this is our paragraph. It is aligned to the center. Okay, this is nice. Now, let me get that. Yeah, this is what we call it CSS. It's not a lot compared to HTML. HTML it gets to be more, but CSS it gets to be easier. So HTML is there to design the website and make sure that there's everything needed in it. And then CSS is there to give us the style, the color, the beauty. Yeah, simple as that. My name is Nzedaro. Thank you so much for watching my video, and may the Lord bless you. If you've got any question, you will ask me amongst the comments. Da.